Smiles for my baby.
This is Ethan getting in Emma's
Ethan's
crib.
a baby today, not a big boy. Oh, look at those smiles. Oh, my handsome little baby boy. Are you mama's baby? Are you my baby? You're a big giant baby. Yeah. Well, this baby, Emma, you mean? No, this one? She's not ready to go to sleep, though. It's too early for her. She goes to sleep at 8.